I'm an associate with Book of You, and I just sort of joined up with them right at the beginning of last year. And then they said, well, actually, when I was kind of going for an interview with them, they said that they'd got the funding.
Warm now.
You're not warm? Oh, you're
I
too
am
warm.
getting bloody
Yeah.
warm now.
They just got the funding from the postcode lottery to recruit care home buddies. So I said, oh, well, I'd like to do that as well. So they just interviewed me for that and did a bit of training, and then matched me up with Jean. Before I started visiting you, what was it like? I mean, before I started visiting you,
well,
how was everything here?
It was. I was just on my own, you know, but it was depressing. But I was on my own, see. But one of the, I don't know who did it. They run these places for these. I don't know who did it, and somebody said, "There's yourself. You've got no visitors." And there was a man who had no visitors. I don't know who the man was. Here, I mean. And she's come in and she said, if we can arrange it, would you, there's volunteers who'll come and have a word with.
It was Lynn, wasn't it? Lynn?
Yeah.
Lynn, who's the activity coordinator. Yeah, she sorted it all out, didn't she?
She said, they said, would you like it if they made arrangements for somebody to come once a week and you could have a bit of a chat. So I said, yeah. So I thought, it's going to be an old pensioner, see. We could moan, you know what I mean?
But we don't moan, do we?
But no. Anyway, it wasn't. And it was this lady, you see, Jean, another Jean. So she come and I said to her, are you in the wrong room, love? Because I thought, she wouldn't see me, would she? You know what I mean? And she said, no, I'm Jean. And I said, oh, I'm Jean. And after that, we never shut up.
No.
We were always giggling and everything. You see the funny side, don't we?
Yeah, I've been visiting her every week through the year. But as a care home buddy, though, I couldn't take her out or anything like that because not really insured to come here to visit her. So we had to say in the end, sort of October time, I just spoke to Book of You and said, right, I'm not going to be a care home buddy anymore. I'm Jean's friend now, so as a friend, we're mates. We can go out now, can't we?
Oh yeah.
You can come to my house and stuff like that. So yeah.
So how do you feel after Jean comes and has a chat with you? How do you feel afterwards?
Oh, happy. Yeah. Oh, it does me good. Because I can borrow off her, you know what I mean?
What would you say to somebody who's considering being a buddy for an older person? Why should they do it?
Well, because it's really rewarding, and you might meet somebody like I met Jean, and we've always got on like a house on fire.
Oh yeah, all the time.
Yeah.
And we're always laughing.
Yeah.
We always laugh, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. And if we're in difficulty, she said, the phone, in the office they've got their phone number.
Yeah.
And I said, if you're in difficulty, she said, tell them to phone me and I'll come, you know.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah. If you can get the right person to match
that's it, yeah.
that person, and you can just chat and you're at ease with one another, it's a wonderful feeling. And you can say anything, what comes in your mind, because it don't matter, because you're used to one another.